and gentlemen, please welcome the candidates for graduation together with their parents, teachers, and administrators. Let us now sing the Philippine National Anthem. Please take your seats. Today is a very special day for all of us. We celebrate this day as 83 candidates for graduation complete their diploma in midwifery. Some of our graduates are eligible for 3 special awards. Our first award is the Silver Medallion for Academic Excellence. This award is given to the graduate with the second highest general weighted average or 91 to 95% in the graduating class. May I call Honorable Nelson S. Ligucion, our City Mayor, assisted by Dr. Magno S. Conag Jr., our President, and Dr. Jennifer U. San Pedro, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Dean, to present the Academic Excellence Award. Academic Excellence Award is presented to Abigail P. Nocos, salutatorian. The second award is the Presidential Award. This award is given to those who lead and organize their batch activities. May I present to you our Presidential Awardees. Gwyneth Marie R. Paglinawan. C. Palaya. And Luis N. Perez. The third award is the Service Award. This award is given to those who serve the city of Naga as voluntary members for the Res Bakuna during the surge of the COVID-19 pandemic. Here are the service awardees. Ladderly P. Amelano. Jenny Rose R. Arcelia. Rose Ann G. Bautista. Lalaine Camille D. Borbor. Caitlin Faye F. Bueno. Joanna May A. Serrillo. Angelica B. Cordial. Leia B. Cortero. Marjorie R. Cuadro. Carmela M. de Guzman. Francia P. de la Concepcion. Angelica M. Dio. Francia D. Escares. Nova May A. Flora. Fatima B. Flores. Georgette S. Hardinel. Sally C. La Miseria. Emeline Josh J. Lana. Cecilyn C. Llagas. Jeneline B. Llamado. Laila V. Lumeda. Aryan Martires. Maria Teresa C. Melia. Margil M. Mirabel. Mary Grace C. Morsha. Mara A. Narciso. Abigail P. Nocos. Wayneth Marie R. Paglinawan. Jerry M. Panambo. Abby Rose V. Patriarca. Christine B. Pasuco. Maria Johanna Jean F. Pineda. Jenny V. B. Pribaldos. Miriam Perlin R. Quinto. Marie Concepcion D. Ramos. Ira M. Sarefe. Camille G. Soriano. B. Tanay. Let us give a round of applause to our awardees. Dr. Jennifer U. San Pedro, our Vice President for Academic Affairs and Dean of the College of Midwifery, will now present the candidates for graduation.
Mr. President, upon the recommendation of the Faculty of Instruction of the College of Midwifery, I have the honor to present to you 83 candidates for the title of Diploma in Midwifery who have satisfactorily completed the requirements for their respective title prescribed and approved by the Board of Trustees, City College of Naga, Republic of the Philippines.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by law and by the Board of Trustees, I hereby confer you graduates. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. San Pedro and Dr. Cona. Let us now listen to the message of Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion, our City Mayor.
Tukawin na nindo. Maray na pag-aaga sa tuya gabos. Ang pagtawang galang sa mga opisyales kan lokal na gobyerno kanaga, nakaibanan ta po ngunyan, inuton ko po si pinakaharanisa sa kuya, an sa tuyang top-notch Sir Councilor Doc Jess Albios. Councilor Joe Perez, Councilor General Omar Buenafe, former councilor and now our city administrator, Elmer Baldimoro. Siringman po ang pagtaong galang sa presidente kan City College of Naga, si Dr. Magno Cunag Jr. And yaon man po ang Vice President for Academic Affairs and Dean kan College of Midwifery, si Dr. Jennifer San Pedro. Before us is the President of the City College of Naga Alumni Association, si Ma'am Rachel Pimpunyo. Yeah. Sa mga magurang, nayaon po digdi, asin sa liwat. Sa mga graduates, sa liwat, marhay na pagkaaga. 83. Ha? 83 ka mo na nagraduar ngunyan sa kursong midwifery. Ayo. Asin an instrumental sa indong buhay, asin sa indo pong pagklase, an pagtubod ko, iyo an sa indong mga magurang na kaibanan nindong yan. Kaya palakpakan ta po an sa indong mga magurang. An pagpapaabot din congratulations, bako lang sa mga graduates, kundi siring man sa indo na mga magurang. An iba kayan, baad ang kaibanan, lola, o kaya lolo, o kaya kung si isay man na relatives na harani sa indo. Kaibanan na an mga agum, si mga may agum na. Si isay digrian may mga agum na. Ayan. Dahil masupog. Dahil masupog na may agum na. Bigla ko lugod na nagirumduman. Kan ako maggraduar, 1994, sa College of Law, kan University of Nueva Cáceres, igwa na akong agum. May saro na po akong aki kimisis. So that was 1994. And that was how many years ago? 29. 29 years ago. But 4 years before that, in April of 1990 was the time when I made a decision, which decision I hold on to, and which decision led me to where I am now. Kan Abril, kan 1990, kinaulay ko po ang sa kuyang ina. By the way, my mother is still alive and she will be celebrating her 97th birthday today. Ang unyan, he is celebrating. O kaya pagkatapos kaini, madalagan po ako duman. Para isilibrar ang sa iyang ika-97 birthday. So going back, 1990. Ta ako po pag-aaraman nindo na ipinangaki ako as nagdakula sa banwaanin buhi sa Ringkunada. Daiman po ako inaki sa Naga, daiman po ako nagdakula digdi. Alagad kan 1990 nagdesisyon ako na magpunta digdi sa Naga. And so, kinaulay ko po ang sa kuyang ina. Ninhuli po tatios man lang po kami para tenant at that. Ang sabi ko sa sakuyang ina, maklase ako nin abugasya sa UNC. Suportahan mo ako, tawanan mo akong pang tuition. Uy, ang sabi kan sa kuyang ina, may nakatago ako dyan, 1,000 lang. Mayo ng iba kayan. Kaya iyo lang yan. An maitatao ko sa imo. Nagtutubod po ako na ang edukasyon sa rong klaseng investment. Investment. And therefore, during that time, si investment sa sakuya kan sa kong ina, 1,000 pesos. Dahil na po ito nasundan. Ang tuition fee sa College of Law kan UNC at that time was around 6,000 pesos. So ang problema ko, saan ako makuha? Si pang kompleto sa tuition. So as early as April, si enrollment May, karalasihan June. As early as April, naghanap na po ako ng trabaho digdi sa Naga. Natanggap po ako sa Bayantel. Kaibanan ko po kaito na natanggap, taduaman lang kami sa natanggap. Ngunyan abogado na, Attorney Buboy Turalyo. Nagpuon po ako magtrabaho. Kanma 2 weeks na ako, nakiulay po ako sa sakuyang supervisor. Taang schedule ko, pangbanggi. Ang sabi ko po sa sakuyang supervisor niya ko, ma'am, kung mapupwede, makiulay man ako na ang schedule ko aldaw. Tanganing pagkabanggi niya ko, comes June, makapagklase pa ako. Uy, ano man daw, taday ako tinugutan. Napuon-puon ka pala ngaya. Nagdidemand ka na. Because of my singular purpose to further study, to complete my study, nagdesisyon po ako na mag-resign sa Bayantel as naghanap nin ibang trabaho. And so, nag-enroll po ako sa College of Law, nagtatrabaho aldaw, nagkaklase, banggi. Ano man daw ito, takan 1992, na nagdesisyon ako mag-agum. Kasi sa kuya man kayang kaklase, naakit man ako. Naging girlfriend ko po ito. Ngunyan, iyon na, sa kuyang agum. Si Attorney Marion Eloisa Ligasyon. So, dagos-dagos, ipagtrabaho, dagos-dagos, ipagklase. And you can probably imagine the 3 roles that I was playing during the time. As an employee, as a student, and as a father and husband to my wife. But because of the clear path na gusto ko pong tahakon and being dedicated, determinado na mangyari po si gustong mangyari. Nakapagtapos po ako and nakapasar sa bar examination and the rest was history. Ngunyan, kaatubang na po nindo bilang alkalde Kanaga. Yan. Inaasahan ko po sa Indo, ninholita, graduado na kamo, ang kasunod, makapaghanap nin trabaho. Di ba? Dapat ang objective ta, dailang makatapos. And duman sa kung anong dahilan, nagdesisyon na mag-agum habang nagkaklase o kaya even before you begin studying, dapat mayo ni anuman na maging sagabal kung determinado po kita. So, graduado, di dapat magkaigwanin hanap buhay. Masasayang po ang sa indong nanodan kung di makakuanin trabaho. O para duman sa, gabos po kamo ma-take nin board exam. No arin? November. O duman sa top 3, sinisigurado ko po sa Indo, magdulog po kamo sa opisina, may trabaho po kamo. Si top 3 sa board exam. Dahil ba lang? Si top 3 sa batch nindo. Si top 3 sa batch nindo na taga-Naga. Residente kan Naga. Tayo man po kaya yan ang obligasyon ko sa mga taga-Naga. I understand that there are some of you coming from the adjoining or neighboring municipalities of our city. So, ang obligasyon ko po, duman sa mga residente Kanaga, top 3. Taano po, takampante po ako na mga ako kayan, ngunyan pa lang. Kadakol kitang ginigiribo ngunyan sa Naga involving health. Sa likodan po nindo, si ipinapatugdok ta pong bago, as in mas dakulang city hospital. Di ba? And we are also establishing primary health care centers in our city. Of course, igwanang nainot na Our Lady of Lourdes Infirmary sa Carolina, and then igwana po kitang City Health Office 2 sa May Santa Cruz. But we will start constructing another one, which will be called, in accordance with the Department of Health, as Super Health Center. Duman po yan sa Concepcion Pequeña, Kataid kan Concepcion Pequeña National High School. So in all of these health facilities, including the city hospital, we will be needing midwives. Di ba? Kaipuan mi po nin midwives. And therefore, ma-reserve na po ako nin tulo hali sa batch nindo. Ayo. So, si Isay daw yan. Si Isay daw yan. Si Day po maakomodar, mahanap po kamo. Ayo. Day ko lang aram kung matatabangan po kamo ni Pres Magnukunag Jr. sa paghanap nin trabaho. Kaya lang nag-thumbs up na po si Pres Magnukunag, kaya palakpakan na po si Sir. Ayan. So, makapagklase, makapagtrabaho, asin maging matrayumpo sa satuyang buhay. Iyo po yan ang aram ko na obheto kan lambang saro, daiman po nindo sabihon, pero dapat iyo man din po yan. Asin para po sa sakuya, magiging matrayumpo kita kung parte kan ginigibuta ang pagserbi sa komunidad. Sa bagay, ang kursong midwifery, iyo man talaga pagserbi. Di ba? lalong-lalo na duman sa mga tao na nasa alangan na sitwasyon, nakatayaan sa indang buhay, ansaro sa kaipuhan kayan, bako lang doktor, bako lang nurse, kundi kamo. So, salamat. Uliton ko lang, congratulations sa indong achievement na makapagtapos. And good luck sa mga masunod na kabtang kan sa indong buhay. Maray na pagkaaga.
Thank you, Mayor Nelson. Mr. David R. Ligarto III will now introduce the commencement speaker. The commencement speaker will be represented by Honorable Elmer Baldemoro.
Thank you, Ms. Annie. To our dedicated and hardworking school president, Dr. Magno S. Conag Jr., to our supportive and equally hardworking PPAA and Dean, Dr. Jennifer Yusan Pedro, our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion, member of the Board of Trustees, City Councilors, faculty, parents, and students, a pleasant and grace-filled morning to each and every one of us. With great pride, I am here to introduce to you our guest of honor and speaker for this momentous event. Our honored guest belongs to an illustrious clan of public servant and educator from the province of Catanduanes. He prepared for his storied political career by completing his elementary education in Baras Central Elementary School. He finished his high school at Arellano University and graduated Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering at Manuel L. Quezon University, Manila. He was a 3-term local chief executive, Municipality of Baras, Catanduanes, and awarded as Best Mayor during his term. Also, the Municipality of Baras, Catanduanes, was awarded as an Outstanding Local Government Unit in 2002 and 2004 by the Civil Service Commission, Region 5. He was a term Provincial Vice Governor, Province of Catanduanes in 2010 to 2016, from where he was awarded as an Outstanding Member of the League of Vice Governor of the Philippines in 2012. Currently, he is serving as a congressman, the representative for TGP, Talino at Galing ng Pinoy Party List, House of Representative, Deputy Majority Leader. Among TGP's advocacies are on environmental awareness and protection, vitality roles of barangay in the delivery of basic services, cultivate and encourage genuine and gained talents and skills through legislative work and agenda, and speak their needs and concern to ensure adequate government support. He passed an overall of 158 bills during the 18th Congress and 10 bills passed into law. Presently, as of February 13, 2023, he passed a total of 58 bills. Some of the notable, principally authored and co-authored bills and resolutions are House Bill number 2169, or the Municipal and Barangay Environmental Budget Development Act of 2002, Single-Use of Plastic Prohibition and Regulation Act, Waste Importation Ban Act, and Regularization and Standardization of Barangay Official Act. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Congressman Jose Bong Hoson Teves Jr. A round of applause.
Makitupaw po. Mabalos, David Ligarto, for the very generous introduction to Congressman Jose Bong Teves Jr. Si Congressman Teves po, pure Bicolano. As David introduced, former mayor of Baras Catanduanes, former three-termer vice governor, and ganyan po iyo ang congressman kang talino at galing ng Pinoy party list. Alagad nahagad po siya ng dispensa, dahil po siya makaabot ngunyan, dahil mayo pong nakuang return flight going to Manila. May importante po kayang committee hearing sa aga sa Congress. Kaya si ulay po ninda ni Doc Magno, balikan lang ngunyan. Alagad mayo pong nakuang pabalik na ticket, either Inaga and Legazpi. Kaya tugutan po nindong ako na lang ang mag-representar sa iya. Alagad si kahagadan po kang sa indong eskwelahan, pinapaabot po na granted na ito. Kaya sa satuya pong alkalde, nadamugta po si mensahe kang satuyang alkalde. Very inspirational po. Kaya nahihiling taman po ang sa iyang kahigusan ngunyan, dedikasyon na mas lalong mapakaray ang syudad ng Naga. Palakpakan ta po, Mayor Nelson Ligacion, Councilor Doc Jess Albios, Councilor Joe Perez, Councilor General Omar Benape, ang sa indo pong presidente, Dr. Magno Conag Jr., Vice President Jennifer San Pedro, ang sa indo pong alumni president, dati ning tagaduman sa Muya, kailang dahil ko nabistado, dakulao na kayong maray. Kaya sayo ko sa ako, bistado mo ako. Iyo ang mga kasarabay ko po si mga magurang niya. Si Rachel Pempolio. Palapakan ta po. To the Board of Trustees, faculty members, graduates, sa gabos po na yaon ganyan, Diyos maray na aga giraray. Allow me to read the message of the Honorable Jose Bong Tebes Jr., the Deputy Majority Leader of the House of Representative of the TGP Party List. Mayor Nelson Ligacion, city officials, Dr. Magno S. Cunag Jr., President of the City College of Naga, administrators, faculty members, parents, and to our dear graduates, a pleasant morning to all of you. Let me express my sincerest gratitude to President Conag for inviting me to be the commencement speaker of this momentous event. First of all, it is my great privilege to congratulate all of you on your graduation. Be proud and stand tall. I would like also to congratulate your parents, family members, and guardians who are with you today, for your success is also their success. Indeed, today is a special day to the graduating batch. This day marks another milestone in your life as you embark in the real world full of opportunities. We acknowledge the challenges and difficulties you went through, especially we are still in the COVID-19 pandemic. Just like how diamonds are formed, these challenges you hurdled made you strong and resilient and ready for whatever obstacle lies ahead. The population of our country is now over 100 million. With our growing population, we recognize the importance of your education and training as midwives to support and care for women during pregnancy, labor, and birth. Your chosen profession is integral in our health sector. This only shows that we value life as it should be according to our Constitution and the Holy Bible. Lastly, I would like to challenge all of you to continue living up to your success and excel in your chosen field of profession. Empower the youth by being models of excellence, and most importantly, serve our fellow Filipino people. This has been the vision ever since of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Now, the future of our country rests on your hands. Again, congratulations to all of you at mabuhay ang mga Pilipinong midwives. Mabalos po, Marina Pagkaano.
Thank you, Honorable Elmer Valdemoro, for your inspiring message. We now come to the awarding of plaque of recognition to our commencement speaker. May I ask Dr. Magno S. Conan Jr., our President, to award the plaque. The citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, City Government of Naga, City College of Naga, Concepcion Pequeña, Naga City. This plaque of recognition is awarded to Honorable Jose Bong J. Teves Jr., Congressman of TGB Party List, as represented by Honorable Elmer S. Valdemoro, in grateful acknowledgement of his distinguished and invaluable service rendered as commencement speaker during the 47 commencement exercises of the City College of Naga with the theme Midwives Education for Excellent Maternal and Child Care, given this 26th day of February 2023 at the City Event Center, Balatas, Naga City. Signed by Dr. Magno S. Conag Jr., President, and Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion, Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Trustees. Thank you, Dr. Conag and Honorable Valdemoro. We now come to the distribution of diploma and certificates. May I ask Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion, our City Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Trustees, Honorable Elmer Valdemoro, and Dr. Magno S. Conag Jr., our President and Vice Chairman of the Board of Trustees, to present the diploma and certificates to the graduates.
Candidates for graduation, Diploma in Midwifery. Abad Jacqueline B., Goa, Camarines Sur. Ador Karen N., Naga City. Aguilar Abigail E., Pili, Camarines Sur. Alipante Joan R., Naga City. Amilano Lederly P., Naga City. Arabaca Mahalia Teres R., Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Arcilia Generous B., Naga City. Baldeo Maricar E., Naga City. Bara Aramay T., Naga City. Barameda Melissa, Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Bautista Rose Ann G., Naga City. Blando Mark Cleman E., Naga City. Borbor Lalaine Camille D., Naga City. Bueno Caitlin Faye F., Naga City. Cañeso Crisamay A., Milaor, Camarines Sur. Cirillo Joanna May A., Pili, Camarines Sur. Chabinia Darren, Naga City. Clidera Shena O, Naga City. Contreras Julian B, Naga City. Cordial Angelica B, Naga City. Cortero Leia B, Naga City. Cuadro Marjorie R, Naga City. Darilay Kathleen May M, Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Di Guzman Carmela M, Naga City. De la Concepcion Francia P, Caramoan, Camarines Sur. Dialogo Diana Rosel B, Canaaman, Camarines Sur. Tio Angelica M, Naga City. Scares Francia D, Naga City. Ismenda Jessa May G, Naga City. Eufemio Daisy B, Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Factor Marvin S.B., Naga City. Ferrer Analisa F., Naga City. Flora Nova May A., Magarao, Camarines Sur. Flores Fatima B., Naga City. Francisco Christine A., Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Ilo Joanna Trexie Pauline R., Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Hardinel Georgette S., Del Rosario, Naga City. La Miseria Salis C., Milaor, Camarines Sur. Lana Remalin Joss J., Naga City. Lirag Evangeline F., Tigaon, Camarines Sur. Yagas Cecilin C., Naga City. Llamado Jeneline B., Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Llanera Flordeline A., Naga City. Lameda Laila V., Naga City. Lorico Yola Sor N., Naga City. Makasinat Ma Isabel A., Naga City. Madja Mildred M. Goa, Camarines Sur. Manlapig Crisel Ann S. Naga City. Martires Arya, Naga City. Melia Ma Teresa C. Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Maribel Margil M. Naga City. Mongaya J. Neil B. Baao, Camarines Sur. Marcia Mary Grace C. Naga City. Narciso Mara A. Naga City. Nator Erica R. Naga City. Nocos Abigail P. San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Paglinawan Gwyneth Marie R. Naga City. Palaya Mary Rose C. Naga City. Palomares Ma Rachel L. Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Panambo Cherry M. Naga City. Panoy Justin Marie B. Naga City. Pante Jacel E. Naga City. Pasuko Kristen B. Naga City. Patriarca Aberos B. Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Perez Luis N. Canaman, Camarines Sur. Pineda Ma Joanna Jean F. Naga City. Privaldos Genevieve B. Naga City. Quinto Miriam Perlin R. Naga City. Raborar Joanna B. Naga City. Ramos Marie Concepcion D. Naga City. Royales Rica May S. Naga City. Sadang Bless Johnson, Naga City. San Jose Sheila May C. Canaman, Camarines Sur. Sarte Jessa I. Naga City. Sarefe Ira M. Naga City. Serrano Cyril S. Naga City. Serrano John Bercy. Naga City. Soriano Camille G. Camaligan, Camarines Sur. Tanay Syra May B. Naga City. Chodoro Jubail Angel, Kanakman, Camarines Sur. Villafuerte John Rick, Naga City. Villamora Nemia M, Naga City.
Let us give a round of applause to the Diploma in Midwifery graduates of 2023. Congratulations to our graduates and their parents. Miss Gwyneth Marie R. Paglinawan will now lead the Pledge of Loyalty.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. We, the graduates of City College of Naga, conscious of our duties and responsibilities, do hereby solemnly pledge to render service to the best of our abilities to our fellow men, to be loyal to our alma mater, to our country, and to our God.
Thank you, Ms. Paglinawan. Let us have Ms. Rachel J. Pimpolyo, our Alumni President, to induct the graduates into the Alumni Association.
Please raise your right hands po, Gay Raray. I, please state your name. A graduate of City College of Naga. And as a member of Alumni Association. Do solemnly pledge. That I will faithfully and unselfishly perform the duties and responsibilities and obey the rules, orders and resolution promulgated by the association and impose upon myself these obligations voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Thank you, Ms. Pimpolyo. May I ask our students, faculty, and staff to stand for the singing of the City College of Naga hymn. Congratulations to our graduates. Thank you and good day, everyone.